This video covers how to install an RBS brand ball screw with an unfinished end like this one. Since the threads start at the edge of the threaded rod, simply follow these steps. Gently secure the ball screw in a vertical orientation. Remove the rubber band from the ball nut cardboard tube assembly, keeping the cardboard tube in place inside the ball nut. Place the ball nut cardboard tube assembly against the end of the ball screw. Gently slide the ball nut down and rotate it to align the bottom of the return tube with the beginning of the first thread. Once aligned, continue rotating the ball nut clockwise while sliding it down onto the ball screw. Continue rotating until the ball nut is fully mounted onto the ball screw. Retain the cardboard tube and rubber band for future disassembly. If you have any questions, you can always contact our free award-winning technical support team. The link is in the description below.